Hi magical friends! Today we're going to make a unicorn horn for our unicorn yoga. Alright, we're going to get the paper cone and put it on top of the paper plate and trace around the paper cone. We want to make a little circle like this. And then we're going to cut out the circle. All right, and then we can cut away the bumpy part of the plate. So we kind of make like a donut shape. Awesome. All right, next we're gonna get the cone and we're gonna cut slits all around the cone base. All right, next we're going to get the paper cone and put it through just like that. And then we're gonna fold the little portions that we cut to where they're flat against the paper plate. And then we're going to use masking tape to tape those down. It's a little tricky, so you got to be careful. All right. Next, we're going to use some things to decorate it. So I've got some pipe cleaner here. I'm gonna use gold around the top. I'm gonna create a little swirly effect. And use the tape to secure that. All right, it's starting to look like a unicorn horn. And then we're gonna use some sequins. We've got foam shapes as well that's included. Which one's your favorite one to use to decorate? I think mine is sequins. I'm gonna use our glue stick and decorate the front because we need a lot of sparkles for a unicorn. All right, need a little more glue. All right, I like it right in the front like that. And I think I'm gonna do a couple of foam shapes as well. So, need a little more glue. I think I wanna do 2 ears maybe for the unicorn's ears. The only thing left is to attach the elastic to make sure it'll fit on our heads. We can use masking tape or glue for that as well. I'm gonna grab a little more masking tape here. And I'm gonna tape it right to the top of either side of the unicorn horn. All right, I'm ready to do some unicorn yoga. Bye, friends.
Hi, friends. Welcome back. So, do you see what I have on? I want you to go put on your unicorn horn so you can join me. Plus, grab a friend or an adult so that you guys can join me. We're going to be doing some unicorn yoga stretches today. So first and foremost, make sure you have your magical horn on because this is going to be magical and you're going to feel amazing at the end of this video. So why don't we do this first? Make sure that you have an open space. If you have a mat or a little towel, awesome, bring it over, but you don't need it, just follow along. Okay, And you know what? Let's see how long this could stay on. So let's do this. Let's take a nice deep breath together. Fill up those lungs. Ready? Here we go. And open your unicorn wings. Up. Hold it at the top for 3, 2, 1, and then blow out the candle. Let's do that 2 more times. Fill up your lungs and open your unicorn wings. Up, up, up. And then blow out the candle. I already feel a little more relaxed. 1 more. Up, up, up. And blow the candles. Wonderful, you guys. So show me your beautiful unicorn wings, because we do have them. And when we're like this, I want you to bring one hand to the side of your leg, and the one that's on the other side, we are slowly going to tilt our bodies, and we're going to reach all the way up to the sky. So you see how my body is bending to the side, one hand here, and the other one is reaching nice and tall to the ceiling. And take a look at your fingers. Go ahead and take a look. And if you can, wiggle them for me. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Now I want you to reach a little bit high and stretch. So you'll be feeling the stretch on your leg, but also on the side of your body. That's where you should be feeling these nice stretches. And of course, bring it back to middle. What we do on one side, we have to do to the other. So go ahead and set up your arm on the side of your body. This one is out. Open up that beautiful wing and slowly reach up to the sky. Look at those beautiful fingers of yours. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. And can you smile for me? We have to smile during these fun unicorn stretches. Bring it back to middle. Beautiful, you guys. So why don't we move on? Let's move on. So the next one is a unicorn warrior, just how I know that you are. We are all brave and strong and kind. So let's go ahead and practice this together. So what I want you to do is, while we have both legs out, one foot, I want you to turn it away. The other one is going to stay forward looking at me. So point that toe. One is forward, the other one, we went ahead and pivoted to the side. One hand goes up and the other one goes behind you, and we're slowly going to tilt forward. So where you should be feeling the stretch is on your legs, right here. And I want you to look at your arm, and I want you to say, I am brave. Go ahead and say it with me. I am brave, I am smart, and I am kind. Beautiful, you guys. Bring it back to middle. What we do on one side, we have to do to the other. So let's set it up. Do you still have your unicorn horn on? I still do. So I'm already winning. So let's do this. Remember, one leg, pivot to the side that we're going to lean on. The other one, have it face me. Okay, one hand forward, the other hand behind you, and go ahead and lean into it. So we're going to go ahead and lean into a forward stretch. Again, where you should be feeling it are on the legs. And look at your fingers. And together, what do we say? I am brave, I am smart, and I am kind. Never forget that, friends. Bring it back to middle. And there you go. Whenever you feel like you need a little break, your mind needs to calm down for a little bit, or you just want to get a great stretch when you wake up or right before you go to bed, watch this video. Always have a friend or a grown-up with you and enjoy. Till next time, friends.